I'm going to be really mad if Adam called me in the middle of that video. I'm going to be really mad if it didn't save. Adam called me in the middle of that video that was like 12 minutes long. If it didn't save, I'm going to be so mad at him. Huh? A tan? Yeah. Just from standing close to the fire and getting fried? Yep. Somebody want to come hold this hose? Yeah. Oh. Careful, it leaks a lot.
Let me get on this side. Okay.
Just sort of make sure it doesn't spread down into the woods and whatnot.
I got this.
I can only stand to be near the water so long before it gets too moist.
It's the fire that I can't stand.
I'm fine with that. I just don't like getting wet.
What? Hi, Jacob.
Hi.
Hey, Jake. We got the fire department called on us.
I know. I took some pictures. They aren't that good.
I was taking video. Adam called me. I don't know if the video is saved. I'm gonna be really mad if it got deleted because it was like 12 minutes worth of video.
It was the nitrate films that did it, huh?
Yep. And it was. Did you notice that the grass did in fact catch on fire before we sprayed it out?
Nice.
I noticed the fact that we definitely probably killed that tree right over there.
No, it's fine.
Isn't that poison sumac?
I don't know. It might be regular sumac. Like I may have melted the back of my phone while recording. That's how bad it was.
Melted what? That makes the story that much better.
Melted my phone.
I have all these videos from when I climbed Mount Katahdin, and it makes the story better because that camera got broken on the way down.
That's awesome.
They couldn't walk back here. They had brush.
Didn't they do both actually?
Yeah, they did both.
Better.
Yeah.
They walked back here and drove back here just to say, oh, nothing's wrong, it's fine.
Kind of like when I had salmonella.
It was funny when the fire chief was
Curtis!
You know what, I don't see the point in putting this out. He basically said the cop, you wasted your time.
Yeah, because we had it under control.
Yeah.
The cop was freaking out, and everybody here is like, dude.
Chill. Chill and GTFO.
Where's Curtis? Okay.
There he is. The fire. So he can do that, because he's Curtis.
You want to go get him off film?
No, I'm filming. You can go get the dog. This is my phone.
I want to carry it.
Kurt.
You know,
Kurt.
I'm so sweaty right now. You have no idea. That's how hot it is.
This reminded me of the end of Return of the Jedi.
Yeah, there's a Darth Vader in there somewhere.
That mound right there kind of looks like a Darth Vader type of.
Yeah, I was thinking that too. You can't really see it on the video. Kind of unfortunate for anybody that would be watching this video.
And then the Ewok music.
I don't know what happened.
Yep. Less epic.
Curtis wants to play with the fire.
He doesn't know what he's doing.
I don't know if I'd have the time to put a campaign together, but I sure play more.
Who are you talking to? That Brancho kid?
Yeah.
Screw that Brancho kid. Screw him and his dog.